Hi, in this video we'll be discussing this problem from ISI 2020 PEA का ये problem है. Let's see this. Let this Mr. X has an exogenous income W. Okay, W की income है exogenously given है, and his utility from consumption is U dash. So we have this utility function U dash. Mr. X know that an accident can occur with probability P. And if it occurs, the monetary equivalent of to the damage is T. So exogenous income is W. Accident अगर होता है, then it happens with a probability of P, and in that case, damages are worth monetary value of T. So P की probability से accident होगा, and in that case, uh, the remaining income would be W minus T क्योंकि T के damages होंगे. And obviously, then with remaining probability, there will be no accident. 1 minus P की probability में there is no accident. And in that case, आपकी complete income, you'll be left with your complete income. There are no damages. Mr. X can, however, affect the accident probability P through the preventive effort E. तो E level का effort, इधर preventive effort can be made to reduce the probability of accident. So in particular, E can take two values, one is 0 and other is A. तो या तो आप एफर्ट नहीं डालोगे या फिर अगर आप डाल रहे हो then you can put in A level of effort. Okay, and an assumption is that P at 0 is more than P at 1. तो जो probability है of accident that reduces, अगर आप A level of effort put in करते हो then the accident probability reduces. Okay, so that is by putting prevention effort. Probability of occurring an accident can be reduced. ठीक है. Let us also assume that if Mr. X puts an effort E, the disutility from the effort is AE square. So zero effort होगा तो there is no disutility. But if he puts in A level of effort, then in that case, the disutility is AE square, where A is per unit effort cost. ठीक है. What is the critical value of A, which below which the effort will be undertaken, and above which effort will not be undertaken. ठीक है. तो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. तो आपको आपको ए की वो क्रिटिकल वैल्यू निकालनी है, बिकॉज क्योंकि ए इज पर यूनिट एफर्ट कॉस्ट. तो अगर एफर्ट कॉस्ट हाई होती जाएगी तो इन दैट केस एफर्ट पुट इन करने की जो चांसेस है दैट वुड रिड्यूस बिकॉज दैट इज क्रिएटिंग डिसयूटिलिटी. एंड इफ ए इज लेस देन इन दैट केस एफर्ट कैन बी मेड. तो हमें वो क्रिटिकल वैल्यू निकालनी है अबव विच efforts will not be made and below which effort will be made. Okay, so let's see this. So here is the summary of the problem. Accident अगर हुआ then it happens with probability P. No accident with probability 1 minus P. अगर एक्सीडेंट हुआ then आपके पास इनकम रह जाएगी W minus T की T या damages. नो एक्सीडेंट के केस में we have W will be left with the whole income. अगर effort level 0 है, then probability of accident is P at 0. No accident is 1 minus P naught or P at 0. But अगर effort put in करेगा at A level, then in that case probability is of accident is PA, and this is less than probability at 0. तो which shows कि accident होने की probability will reduce अगर A level of effort डाले जाएंगे तो. And with the remaining probability, accident will not happen, which is 1 minus PA. Okay, and in this case there is disutility of efforts as well. अगर आप in if the filter X he puts in efforts, then in that case disutility is A square. ठीक है. तो basically probabilities involved है तो we'll have to compare expected utilities, right? So let's do that. तो एक केस है when effort level is 0. ओके, तो अगर एफर्ट लेवल 0 है तो इन दैट केस एक्सपेक्टेड यूटिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी? वेल, विद प्रोबेबिलिटी पी नॉट, पी जीरो की प्रोबेबिलिटी से this person will get W minus T, and with probability 1 minus P0, this person will get W. Okay. And the other thing is, अगर effort level है A, then in that case, expected utility will be with probability PA, accident will occur and damages are W minus T, and this should be utility, expected utility है. So utility at W minus T, this is the utility from W level of income, expected utility. So probability is multiplied by respective utilities. And in this case, this will be P of A into utility at W minus T plus 1 minus PA utility from W. Okay. And there is disutility of efforts as well, which is directly given to be AE square. So that means when we take this case जहाँ पर Mr. X is putting an efforts and the level is A, so if he is putting some effort, in that case definitely irrespective of whether there are there is accident or not, in that case disutility is AE square. So minus AE square with probability 1. ठीक है, फॉर श्योर डिसयूटिलिटी होगी. तो so efforts will be undertaken when जो expected utility है when E is equal to A, it should be more than or equal to expected utility when E is equal to 0. Correct? तभी आप एफर्ट डालोगे जब expected utility in case of A level of effort is more than or equal to expected utility when efforts are 0. So all we need to do is we need to rearrange these and find out कि इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन इस चीज को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. ओके, वी नीड दैट पर्टिकुलर लेवल ऑफ ए जिसका नाम इन्होंने दिया है ए स्टार. दैट्स द क्रिटिकल वैल्यू ऑफ ए वी आर लुकिंग फॉर. सो this this should be yeah. So this should be more than or equal to expected utility when efforts are 0. Okay, so let's solve this. So we can simply solve this. So let's do that. PA utility at W minus T plus 1 into UW, and here also we have 1 into UW. So ये cancel out हो जाएगा. We already know that. So let's ignore that term. Let's keep minus PA UW. Uh, let's take it to the other side. Minus P0 U W minus T. And this term will become plus P0 UW. Okay, this should be more than or equal to AE square. ठीक है, this should be more than or equal to AE square. So this utility here is AE square जब effort level है E. तो यहाँ पर क्योंकि एफर्ट लेवल के दो ऑप्शन है, 0 और A, सो इन दैट केस this will, when for E equal to A, this will be, or let me say that this E will be equal to A, and ये जो E है this will be equal to A, and we can take here A square. Okay, all right, now UW minus T, and here we have UW. Okay, UW minus T, and here we have UW. Okay, so here we can take PA common, and that gives us UW minus T minus UW. And here I can take P0 common, which gives me UW minus T minus UW. Okay, this should be more than or equal to A, capital A square. And if I take UW minus T minus UW common, then here I'll get PA minus P0, and this will be divided by this A square here, more than equal to A. So this is that critical level above which, अगर A की value exactly ये, that's the critical value. Above this, effort will not be put in, okay, and below this effort will be put in because A is the cost. Okay, so let's see कौन सा option match हो रहा है. So seems like it's option A. UW minus T minus UW, PA minus P0 upon A square. That's option A. ठीक है? Option A. That's it.